Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody et bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes et bienvenue à Roland Garros! Welcome to Roland Garros, home to one of the world's biggest tennis tournaments, the French Open. We're in store for a very special video today, so stay tuned to find out more. Oui, bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody et bienvenue! Welcome to this very special episode of French with Mr. Innes, all about the French Open! And you can get a free lesson plan featuring flashcards, audio clips, worksheets, a Quizlet and Kahoot by clicking on the first link in the description below.
But now let's head back outside to Roland Garros for today's fun French fact of the day.
Did you know that there are four Grand Slam tennis tournaments played each year? The Australian Open, Wimbledon, the US Open and the French Open, played here at Roland Garros. This guy, Rafael Nadal, has won a whopping 14 French Open titles, the most times any man or woman has won a single slam. Other recent winners include Iga Swiatek and Carlos Alcaraz. Very cool indeed. Well, now let's crack on with today's phrase of the day. Today's phrase of the day means in tennis there is, or in tennis they are. So can you répéter? Au tennis, il y a. 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 Magnifique! And now let's crack on with our Ooh La La vocab! Our first Ooh La La vocab is balls. Now you'll see, like many of today's Ooh La La vocab, that the S's are grayed out, which means they're silent. So can you répéter 8 fois? Des balles. 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 Our second Ooh La La vocab is players. Now you'll see again that we have two S's grayed out. We've also got an R which requires the R sound. Can you put your fingers over your throat and go R? R. Okay, so can you say des joueurs? Des joueurs. 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 Notre troisième Ooh La La vocab est courts. So can you répéter, watching out for the silent T and S and putting your finger over your throat again? Des cours. 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 We're halfway through our Ooh La La vocab, and next up we have rackets. Of course, you play tennis with a racket, not a bat. And the word racket actually comes from the French word, répétez, des raquettes. 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 Our fifth Ooh La La vocab is fans. Now this is actually an English word that the French have kind of stolen, a bit like how we've stolen racket from raquette. So can you répéter? Des fans. 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 And our last Ooh La La vocab today is an umpire.
Ready? Wait.
Now in tennis, in English, we say an umpire, whereas in many other sports we say a referee. Well, in pretty much all sports in French, we use this word right here, which requires the r sound. So can you répéter? Un arbitre. 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 If you're enjoying this video, don't forget that you can turn it into a full lesson with flashcards, audio clips, worksheets, a Quizlet and Kahoot by clicking on the first link in the description below. Well, now let's crack on with our game. Which one's missing? Aujourd'hui on a 6. Today we've got 6 rounds of which one's missing, and I'm going to help you with the first 3. So first up, we have des balles, des joueurs, des cours, des raquettes. Which one's missing? Bravo if you said des joueurs. Next up, we have des balles, des fans, des cours, des raquettes. Which one's missing? Bravo if you said des balles. Next up, we have un arbitre, des fans, des cours, des raquettes. Which one's missing? Super if you said des raquettes. Next up, and you are on your own. Which one's missing? Très bien if you said des cours. Next up. Which one's missing? Fantastique if you said des fans. And the last one. Which one's missing? Bravo, très bien, fantastique et merveilleux. If you said un arbitre.
And now it's time for our Sensational Sentences. Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences.
For today's sensational sentences, can you remember what our phrase of the day was? Yeah, au tennis, il y a. And what did that mean exactly? In tennis, there is, or in tennis, there are. Bravo! Well, we're going to combine our phrase of the day with our six ooh la la vocab just now to make six sensational sentences, and I'll help you with the first trois. So first up, can you répéter? Au tennis, il y a des balles. Au tennis, il y a des balles. Bravo! Next, how would we say in tennis there are players? Répétez. Au tennis, il y a des joueurs. Au tennis, il y a des joueurs. Magnifique! How would you say in tennis there are courts? Répétez. Au tennis, il y a des cours. Au tennis, il y a des cours. Magnifique! Try the next trois by yourself. First, how would you say in tennis there are rackets? Au tennis, il y a des raquettes. Bravo! What about in tennis there are fans? Au tennis, il y a des fans. Fantastique! And last up, how would you say in tennis there's an umpire? Au tennis, il y a un arbitre. Incroyable! Well, now let's head back outside to Roland Garros for today's Song of the Day. Today's Song of the Day is by Martin Solveig et Dragonette, and it's called Hello. Now, this song might be in English, but Martin Solveig is a French DJ, and the video is filmed here in Le Cours Philippe Chatrier, this stadium. And it also features one of France's best ever tennis players, Gaël Monfils, as well as probably the best player of all time, Novak Djokovic. And you can find a link to it in the description below. And now it's time for our
Challenge time.
Today I'm going to challenge you guys to make a poster entitled Roland Garros with some sensational sentences and drawings about the French Open. And if you email it to info@frenchwithmrinnis.com, I'll make sure to get back to you. So, bon courage!
Well, that's everything from this special video about the French Open. You guys were ace.
Oh, I see what you did there. Very true indeed.
Have you told the parents and teachers about the free lesson plan?
Yes, they know exactly where to find the free lesson plan. Well, boys and girls, can you say
À bientôt!
et au revoir?